Hey guys, can you buy rental properties with no money? And the answer is yes, absolutely you can. Hey guys, can you buy rental properties with no money? And the answer is yes, absolutely you can. However, you have to have a couple pieces in place in order to do this. And the pieces fit into what we like to refer to as the BRRRR method. We're gonna buy properties at discounts using other people's money. That's the very first step. Next, we're gonna rehab or renovate these properties. We're gonna update them. This does multiple things. It reduces the risk of owning the property. It increases the amount that it's going to appraise for. And finally, it is going to increase the amount of rent that we're going to be able to charge when we go to rent that property out. So we're gonna buy it at a discount. We're gonna use other people's money. Next, we're gonna rehab and renovate that property. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna rent it out. We're gonna go and we're gonna find a tenant and lease it, or maybe find a property manager that's gonna help us with that process and lease that property out for us. The last step in this process, in order to be able to acquire rental properties with none of our own money, is to go find a local bank or credit union, build a relationship with them, and refinance that property. And if we're able to do this correctly, and we're able to use the BRRRR method, and we're able to do this the best way, meaning buy at discounts using other people's money and renovate that property and not go over crazy budget or go crazy on that rehab, but basically make that property look good and clean and safe. The last process is to go to that local bank or credit union and refinance that property. And if we're able to be all in, purchase, rehab, interest, holding, all of those costs at or below 80% of what that property appraises for, and a bank will give us an 80% loan, we can acquire rental properties with none of our own money in the end. We're gonna have to borrow some in the beginning to purchase and to rehab that property. And we're gonna have to spend some time managing that project. And we're gonna have to lease that property or hire a property manager to lease it. But in the end, when we go to refinance that property, assuming that we can be all in at or below, ideally below, 80%, and our local bank or credit union, who we've built a relationship with, is willing to lend at 80%, we can acquire rental properties with none of our own money in the end. Absolutely $0 out of pocket in the end. If you want to learn more about this method, book a call with my team so we can talk with you about how we can help you and how we can work with you to acquire rental properties with little to none of your own money, ideally none of your own money. Head on over to wholesalinginc.com/rentals to learn more and to book a call. I look forward to working with you personally.